Hi guys and Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making Tricolor Cocktail Idli with a colorful twist to regular idlis to celebrate Indian Independence Day. No artificial colors are added in this recipe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. To make Tricolor Cocktail Idlis, we need about 3 cups of idli batter. Season it well and divide the idli batter into 3 equal parts into 3 different bowls. To one bowl, add a cup of diced carrots to get the orange or saffron color. To the other bowl, add about 4 to 5 spinach leaves for green color. We're going to blend both these batters separately to get a smooth batter. We are not going to add any water. To the carrot idli batter, you can also add a teaspoon of sugar for enhanced sweetness. And to the spinach idli batter, you can also add a teaspoon of turmeric powder for enhanced green color and also a green chili and a teaspoon of lemon juice for added flavor. Now bring water to a boil in a steamer and grease the idli maker with ghee or oil. Using a spoon, pour the batter into the idli maker and place it in the steamer. Steam for about 7 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, open the lid of the steamer and using a toothpick, check for doneness. Let it cool for a couple of minutes and using a spoon, demold the idlis. Skewer the idlis in the order of the tricolor orange followed by white and green in a toothpick. Serve hot with tricolor chutneys. That's it. For a detailed printable version of the recipe, please check the link in the description box below. And if you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and I'll see you soon. Bye.